All right, here's my little purple buddy, and he's going to sing a little purple song for you now, Lisa. I hope you're ready. I'm sorry if the words are backwards, but Dee Dee knows how it goes. Here we go. It's raining purple from out of the sky. Purple, no need to ask why. Positive purple rap is what we sing. It's raining purple, out in the streets. Purple, all you can eat. Purple peppers, eggplants, and cabbage too. It's raining purple, yum, 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 yummity yum. Pray while you scream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Pray while you scream. And the dog's gonna do the instrumental part here. Thanks, Mowgli. Get ready. Here it comes. Plums, grapes, prunes, beets. Plums, grapes, prunes, beets. It's raining purple. Raining purple. Ooh, raining purple. It's raining purple. Raining purple. Out of the sky. Purple. No need to ask why. Positive purple rap is what we sing. It's raining purple. Raining purple. Out in the street. Purple. All you can eat. Purple peppers, eggplants, and cabbage too. It's raining purple. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Pray while you scream. Where's the dog when I need him? Now we're going to do the rap part at the bottom there one more time because I love this part. Plums, grapes, prunes, beets. Plums, grapes, prunes, beets. Plums, grapes. Beets, 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 beets. It's raining purple. Raining purple. Ooh, raining purple. Ooh, it's raining purple. Raining purple. Lisa, that's going to end it there because I think we've had about enough of that. Hope you're doing well. From the Purple Monster over in Michigan.